Hi all, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe for more updates. Today in this video we're going to see how to create datetime picker without using any plugin or custom renderer. So we have faced one issue that whenever we use a picker for datetime, it will look too different in both, means in an Android and iOS it will look different. So we have one requirement where we want to achieve a user interface which will look exactly same in Android and iOS. So let's see how it will look like on Android. So this is my main page where I have two labels and two buttons. So when I click on first button, it will just show me date. Then when I click on the second button, it will show me date and time both. So let's see what are the functionality we have achieved in this picker. So it will look exactly same in iOS 2 because it's just the labels, no picker, nothing. So it's just a label, three labels I have applied and applied some scroll animation. So when I swipe up or swipe down, it will animate and it will have a look and feel like it is scrolling. But it is just a swipe gesture. And we have applied some validation over here. So let's say in February, suppose I select 1972. So 1972 has 29 days, where in 1971 it has 28 days. So it will automatically fall back to the first value of the list. So this all three lists are individual list. So whenever we change year or month, it automatically calculate the days and it shows here, and it is like infinite loop. So you can scroll and towards the December, and whenever you scroll very end, it will directly show you the Jan. So it's infinite loop, and we provide some animation swipe up and down. So when you don't want to set the date, you just click close, so the pop-up will go. And whenever you decide to select, you just click done, so it will change the label. So it is available pop-up. User need to select any actions. Without selecting any action, it will not go, because when I click, you see background, it is not going down. We have blocked the hardware block button too. So when I click cancel, you see the label is not changed. When I click done, the label is changed. Now let's see and understand in the code how we have achieved this. So this is the common view which I was talking about. So this control picker view is this only these three labels, and with the combination of this picker view, we have created five different controls, which we'll see in the next control, which is datetime control. So let's understand how the picker view we have developed. I have created just three level, one, two, and three, and I have just added swipe gesture on swipe up and swipe down. So whenever you swipe up, it will change the values. So let's see, understand how in code it looks like. So I've created a bindable property which is list. Font size, you can give font color or anything. So whenever you update the list, it automatically hit this method, because we have provided here property change method. Whenever the list change, it has some validations, like if selected value is first or default, then in the label one, suppose my selected value is Jan. So in the first label, it will show me my last value of my list, and same in the label 3, it will just show me selected index plus 1. So my selected index was January, so instead of January, it will show me sorry, my selected index was January, so January plus 1 is Feb. So in my Feb, in my label 3, it will show me the Feb. So same thing we have done here, and we provided some animations. Okay, so when you swipe up, if the animate y is 0, only then it will calculate the height of my label, thickness, and row spacing between each label, and it will scroll my y value towards the minus. So imagine my label height is 50, row spacing 10, and what else we have given? Row thickness is 20. So you see December will go till here, till the height, and once the value change for that label, it will come from down till the 0. So that all animations I have added here, and some validations also applied. Now let's understand the second control, which is the combination of all the component. So here I have given some row with, sorry, I have given some column definitions. So if you see first column, it has month picker, which is using this picker only. So every control is using, that picker only. Then we have selected value, which is coming from the bindable value. So this month picker is filling up from one of the util, which is I have placed over here. So get month, based on your device, it will get the month in the three letters form, Jan, Feb, like that. Same, it will give you days. Same, it will give you years, hours, minutes, everything is there. So you just need to that use that utils to get the proper date and time. Then whenever the month or year change, it will hit this method and it generates a new day list. So that logic also applied here. Then this both control I have used on one of the page, which is pop-up page, which I have used one of the pop-up. If you don't want to use, you can avoid. So this plugin is in Xamarin. If you remember, we have RG pop-up plugin. So same plugin owner, they have just migrated to .NET MAUI. So you can use this plugin. So that plugin provides a animation which is like it will have bottom sheet view animation, like go up and down like that. So I have added some label, and that component date I have added here with the bindable property is to show time or not. Let's see the code of this. So edit bindable property. This is task completion source, which is awaitable pop-up. So until you don't select anything, it will not go away. We have disabled the back button. On click of yes, it will pass the task to our main page. So we have called this over from main page. Let's see how we have called. Yeah, so on click of this, we create a new uh, completion source, and we pass the property, bindable property, to that plugin, sorry, to that component, and then just we show the pop-up and we wait until the pop-up responds. And we have done some validation, means if the selected value is proper date and is success, then only change the label, else not. That all the kind of validation is I have done here. You don't need to do any kind of validation. Just if you want to customize the control, you can do it in your way. So if in whole video we have seen that we have not used any kind of picker, any kind of plugin to generate this date time picker. So the benefit of this is it will have common UI in Android and iOS, and I will post uh, my Git URL in this video, so you can check my Git, and please subscribe my channel for more updates. Stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.